Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Dell monitor to MacBook Pro. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Connect a display or projector to your MacBook Air. You can connect several different types of display and projectors to your MacBook Air. If the display cable has a connector that does not match the Thunderbolt/USB 4 ports on your MacBook Air, you can use an adapter sold separately to connect the display. USB-C display. Connect the display to a Thunderbolt/USB 4 port on your MacBook Air, HDMI display or TV. Use a USB-C digital AV multi-port adapter to connect the HDMI display or TV to a Thunderbolt/USB 4 port on your MacBook Air. VGA display or projector. Use a USB-C VGA multi-port adapter to connect the display or projector to a Thunderbolt/USB 4 port on your MacBook Air. If the cable for the display has a connector that does not match the port you want to use, you may be able to use it with an adapter sold separately. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.